This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this like new Ultra Limited is Gunship Gray. To me it looks like kind of a throwback to the 60s and 70s when cars came with enamel paint jobs. Just a really cool color, not metallic, something a little bit different. If you're a Navy guy, this is your color. Now this like new Ultra Limited has 1,234 miles on the odometer, and it is under factory warranty until 2024. And before the warranty runs out, you can always go to any Harley dealer in the country and get that extended if you please. Now this bike has a black factory finish instead of chrome, which I think really is a great contrast for this gunmetal gray. Comes equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, 6-speed transmission, 6-gallon tank. Being the Limited, of course, it has the security system with the fob. It has the heated grips. The new GTS BOOM stereo system, which is AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your device into it for your music, or in this compartment right here, you can plug it in and charge your device and integrate it right into the system. You can control it with the touch screen or the hand controls. Nice big seat for you. Nice big seat for your passenger. Big wraparound backrest. Very comfortable bike for the long haul, or for just around town. Now there's a few options have been added to this 2022 Ultra Limited. One is the black slip-on mufflers, and I can't tell you who makes these. I just don't recognize the logo on there, but they do sound good. And then the Harley Davidson highway pegs have been added to give you a little more comfort when you're out on the road and need to change that leg or foot position a little bit. Nice black custom wheels from Harley. Black front end. ABS brakes. It has the RDRS system, which has several different variations of traction control and cornering ABS. It has the hill start control that's part of the RDRS system. Has the tire pressure monitor, which that can come in real handy if you're out on the road and you have a tire starting to go down. It'll warn you before it turns into a big issue, having a tire go out. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a real good look at this 2022 Ultra Limited. Incredibly low miles, 1,234. Has all the right factory options on it, and a couple of nice accessories. Don't get stuck paying MSRP and then a surcharge on top of that, and then the destination and setup and dock fees and all the other mystery fees you get stuck with at the big boutique dealerships. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. You can be reached at 417-343-3696. Our prices are out the door, no mystery fees added. We can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.